The following segment is sponsored by Smith Injury Law and 300hurt.com.
If you find yourself in a serious auto accident, there's a flood of concerns and things you'll need to do right away. And one of those things is hiring an experienced attorney as soon as possible. Richard Smith from Smith Injury Law is here to talk about it. Good morning, Richard.
Good morning, Margaret.
Hiring an attorney right away is important for many reasons. The first one you point out is evidence can be lost if there's a delay, right?
That's correct. Oftentimes on a serious accident, we need to send our accident reconstruction expert out to the scene, and you can lose the skid marks, the vehicles, any videos that were taken by nearby cameras that can all be destroyed if it's not gathered fairly quickly after the accident.
And an attorney can help you navigate the process and understand certain nuances, including things like avoiding gaps in treatment. Talk about that.
It's also very important because if you delay getting treatment, the insurance company is going to claim that the accident didn't cause the complaint you're experiencing. If you wait more than a few days to go to the doctor the first time, the longer you wait, the more likely they are just to say, well, we don't think the accident caused those injuries.
Right. And then, of course, you might have the insurance adjusters trying to get a recorded statement. A trusted attorney really helps you from making that mistake. What should we know there?
Yeah, definitely that's a big mistake. Don't ever give a recorded statement without an attorney present. They can ask you very specific questions about time and distance, stuff that people don't know the answer to, and you could find yourself giving them a defense when there shouldn't be a defense. And this applies also in workers' compensation claims, even more so sometimes because of the detail involved.
Right, and while your attorney is on your side looking out for your best interest, it's important to understand that the insurance adjuster has other loyalties, right?
Absolutely. The adjuster's job is to protect their insured, not to make sure that you get a fair settlement amount. In fact, we've had cases recently where the case was more than the policy limits and they gave the person a full release to sign. Had they signed that full release, they would have waived any underinsured insurance claims they would have. So you got to be very careful. The more serious the injury, the more important it is to get an attorney on the case.
And at Smith Injury Law, your practice areas include personal injury, workers' compensation, car and truck collisions, Social Security disability claims. Is there anything else you want people to keep in mind before you go, or just understand about the way you practice?
Just to be very careful, if you're in a serious accident, you don't want to give up claims, coverages, defendants, make big mistakes in your case because you think you can handle the case on your own. These are complicated matters. Even attorneys that don't normally practice personal injury law make mistakes in this area. So you need to get an experienced personal injury attorney on any case that's a serious automobile accident case.
Well, people will love to work with you, and they can contact you by calling 300hurt or visiting 300hurt.com. Richard Smith of Smith Injury Law, thank you for being here.
Thank you, Margaret.